Hi there, my name is Kyle. I'm here with Makers Mercantile to share with you the top 5 or more things to know about in today's newsletter. So item number 1 is a Super Saver kit. So we love doing these. We put together a collection, a very limited run of an offering for a fun project. And in this case, it's going to be the Zick Zack Scarf. It's by Christy Kamm, and we did this a while back using the fingering weight yarn, and it sold out in just like seconds, like super quick. So here's the fingering weight one that Liz has been working on. It's a really easy pattern. It is a 1-row repeat that you repeat on both sides of the project. So once you know what that repeat is, you just go for it. And in this case, you work 1 row back and forth of one color and 1 row back and forth with the second color, and off you go. You just keep going till you run out of yarn, and all those color changes, amazing color changes, are happening because of the yarn. So we did it in fingering weight, and those sold out, like I said. So what we are doing, and there's only a few of these, I think there's 12. So is we've decided to up the game to the DK weight. So that was fingering, this is going to be the DK weight. So the first yarn is this one, which is called Pan 21. It's by Uneek, and these are the colors of the year for 2021, this really lovely bright gorgeous yellow and gray. And when you pair it with Starke 6, I'm trying to remember what color, 2334, when you pair it with this yarn here, the Starke 6, the color changes in both make for a really lovely finished project. So what you get in this Super Saver kit is 1 hank of the Uneek Pan 21, which is a 100% super amazingly soft merino, and then Starke 6, which I should know, but I don't remember what the content is. I think it's 75% superwash and 25% like nylon polyamide. So the two of those together, you get 1 ball, 1 hank, and you get the needle. So we chose a Rocket Square 24-inch size 4 needle, so you'll get that as well in the kit. The pattern itself, again, is called the Zick Zack Scarf. It's a free download on Ravelry, so you'll head over there, download the pattern, you'll be ready to go. We do suggest that you reduce the pattern repeat or pattern stitch count by 2 repeats. So you'll use the larger needle, you'll cast on a few stitches less, so you'll have that same sort of nice width of finished fabric, give or take a tiny bit. This kit is a $70.50 deal, right? Regular price. If you buy all these things individually, the Super Saver kit price is in the newsletter, wherever that is. So go to check out the newsletter, add it to your cart, check out, and make sure that you get that before they are gone, because when they are gone, they're gone. Limit 1 per customer, because we do have lots of customers who want to take advantage of these kits. So let's let everyone have one, or at least 12 people. So that's item number 1. Item number 2 is a multi-part item, because I get to do this, right? I get to say whatever I want. So I've decided that item number 2 is that our kits, many of our kits have been restocked. So I'm going to go through a few of them. You'll notice that I'm wearing, hi Andrea, one of my favorite things ever. This is the Shift by Andrea Mowry. And we have the Shift kit in 3 different colorways. And you'll be able to see, they come in the little thing. You'll be able to see the different colorways on the website, at least get an idea of what the 3 different balls of yarn might look like. So here is one of the colorways, and they're really beautiful. What you do, and it's such an ingenious pattern, is you assign a number, color A, B, and C, to each of the different yarns that are in your project. And what I suggest is put each one in a baggie and label the baggie color A, color B, color C, because they're all changing color as you're working this really easy slip stitch pattern, right? So when it changes color, you might get confused as to which one was which. So if you've labeled them in bags, it's super easy. And you do switch, you know, work color A and B, and then B and C, and then C and A. You mix them up throughout the project. A quick little seam, and you're ready to wear it. It's the most wearable cowl shape, I think, this kerchief cowl shape. I just love it so much. So anyway, that's number one, the shift. It's here. Number 2A, I guess because it's item number 2, is also by Andrea, is the Montana Mountain Cowl. So this is a mosaic knitting pattern, and it comes in this colorway, which is really awesome, totally reversible, because you cast on provisionally, do a provisional cast on, temporary cast on, work in the round around the entire thing, do a little bit of a twist, and then it gets Kitchenered together, and you have this really awesome piece. And if you don't want to put the twist in there, you don't have to put it in. You can just keep the two pieces lined up and join them together, and you'll have a cowl without a twist. Very much like this one, which is called Lightwood. So this is Lightwood by Jennifer Steinglass. Lightwood is a stranded knitting pattern. It uses 2 different yarns. So here, it'll look kind of familiar. It's a 𝗷𝗶𝗶𝘁𝗀𝗏𝘁, and this is Fine Height, which is a super wonderful ultra fine merino. So those yarns are in here. All of these kits come with the pattern as well, so you'll include your Ravelry ID if you'd like us to put it in your library. Otherwise, we will just send it to your email. But this is the Lightwood cowl. Again, it's cast on with a provisional temporary cast on. You do the stranded knitting all the way in the round, and then Kitchener the beginning and end together to make this super amazing cowl. The next one I'll show you is Odyssey. So this is the Odyssey shawl. Odyssey is by 𝗁𝗶𝗆𝘆𝘀, and we love 𝗁𝗁's designs as well because they're just so, they're wearable and intuitively easy to understand. And the kit that we have is a different colorway than the sample I have. I'm trying to pull out the stuff because there's stuff. This one has a whole bunch of things in it. It comes with 3 different balls of 𝗁𝗶𝗶𝘆. So here's 𝗁𝗶𝗶𝘆, 3 different colors. So it's the same grayish color that's there, but then there's this really beautiful blue color and this really deep, deep blue. So like a tealish blue and a deep blue. And you also get a project bag, a 𝗵𝗶𝗆𝘁 project bag. So it has a little bit of a see-through section there, so you'll be able to tell which project is in the bag. You also get a 40-inch size 9 olive wood needle, and you get stitch markers and the pattern. So that's the Odyssey shawl kit. There are a few of those left. Make sure you grab those if you're interested. This yarn itself is bamboo, superwash merino, and nylon, so it's a little less warm, I will say. So folks who are in warmer climates might opt for something like this. It'd be really great for a less frigid climate. Next. The Moonwake cowl by Andrea Mowry again. So it's another really beautiful cowl that does have that twist going on in it. Same sort of deal, provisional cast on, working in the round in a stranded pattern. So this is color work again, just simple fair isle. All of the floats and things are trapped inside that tube. And when you Kitchener or graft those stitches together, all the floats and ends and stuff all live inside the tube. So you almost don't have to, you kind of need to weave in your ends a little bit, but you don't have to weave them quite as carefully because you don't see them, which is cool. The Moonwake cowl, that's what that one was, comes also with the needle, and it comes with a number of different yarns, 4 different yarns, and it is was a $100 kit. It's marked to $80, so pretty great deal. Then the last one, I know this is a big, long number, number 2, is the Ripples cowl. So this is Brigitte, Elliott, and the Ripples cowl is a bit of a short row adventure. There it is, super pretty. And again, it's the color changing of the yarn that makes this so much fun. It's again, a super wearable cowl. This is one that you work, you know, in the round. There's no provisional casting on, but there are short rows. So if you like short rows or you want to become more comfortable with them, this is a great project for you. It comes with the yarn, it comes with the pattern. You'll need to get the needle for that one. Details for all of the kits, and of course there are more. I could, but I'm not going to go through every one of them that we have. Details for all the kits are on our website, of course. So, other things to talk about. Item number 3, 𝗁𝗂𝗃 fabrics. All of the 𝗁𝗂𝗃 fabrics are still 20% off through the 25th. So here are 2 of them. La la la, la la la. 2 fabrics, gorgeous. Don't want to spend too much time. They are, of course, sold by the yard, so choose whatever one you want. It's a great deal, a fun opportunity to add to your fabric stash, and certainly a great chance to save on the fabric. Another thing that is right now 20% off through the 25th is this stuff. It's called mesh fabric. It is by 𝗁𝗍𝗄𝗃. The fabric is by 𝗁𝗍𝗄𝗃. And what is mesh fabric? Well, it's this meshy fabric, mesh fabric. It's pretty cool. You can see through it. So it's really great for like pocket lining, that kind of thing. It is a little tiny bit stretchy, but not super stretchy. And it comes in a number of different colors. So be sure to check that out on the website. 20% off through the 25th. After fabric, reminder, the 𝗶𝗶𝗆𝘄𝗀𝘁𝗁 mitts. I should remind you, the 𝗶𝗶𝗆𝗁 mitts are still available if you purchase 4 balls of 𝗁𝗍𝗄𝗃, which is also 20% off. You'll get the 𝗶𝗶𝗆𝗁 mitts pattern, which is by 𝗩𝗶𝗶𝗄𝗃. And that's pretty awesome as well. It's a beautiful pattern. So that, again, through the 25th. Did I cover everything? The charity auction. The charity auction is live. And this piece here is one of the items that is available for bid. Really gorgeous shawl. All these hand knit, hand crocheted items are available on the auction website, so check those out. The auction ends on the 20th of November at 7 p.m. Pacific, and all of the proceeds, every penny that is bid, the winning bids, all of that money is going to be donated to the Downtown Emergency Services Center, which helps people who are experiencing homelessness in the Seattle area. And we think that they are an awesome organization. They do a lot of good for our fellow humans, and we think it's a good opportunity to, oh, by the way, the other side, it's reversible. We think it's a good opportunity for us to offer a chance for people to get some handmade items that they can then use for themselves or give as gifts, and at the same time raise money for a worthwhile cause. So I think that's it for today. I hope that everyone is doing great. Next week is Thanksgiving. We do have special hours, so check out the website if you're coming to visit the shop. It is, I know, shocking. We're closed on Thanksgiving at the shop. We're open online, of course. Black Friday, the shop is closed. We keep the shop closed on Black Friday so that our team, all of the people who work here, get to spend time with their family and their friends. Saturday we will be open for Small Business Saturday, but all the details are on the website. And if you have questions, you can certainly always give us a call. So that is it for me for today. I hope you have a fantastic week. Do something creative and fun, and we will see you again on Thursday. Bye.